Can you? Let's play some steps. What's your screaming like that? Is Tribal Sandbox, and then Shogun. What do we battles? Clubbers, protectors. Oh, I clicked the dynastic one. Protectors, spear throwers, stoners. Okay, bone mage. I know that. Chieftain, mammoth. And then now for the legacy without super peasants or dark peasant. Peasant without strong units. And hanggang kay chariot. Banner bearer? What's the banner bearer? I don't know. Poacher, and blow darter, pike. So, napakahaba niyan. Barrel roller, boxer, flag bearer. What's the flag bearer? I don't know. Fatal. Wizard. Chariot. And sword. Ooh, this is so intense. Oh my God, napaka-intense. Stay strong pa rin, mammoth natin. Stay strong. Uy, bakit pumupunta dun yung mga chariot dun? Akala nyo. May potion seller yata sila eh. Wala silang potion seller eh. Namatay yung mammoth natin. Sa wizard pala yun eh. Bakit andun yung chariot? Na-stuck na yung chariot. Na-stuck yung chariot. Ano ba na-stuck na yung si chariot? Na-stuck. Nanalo yung blues. Last. You look like suspicious. That's suspicious. Ba't ang dami nila? Ano to? Chronomancer versus Void Monarch. Kung epic ba yung lalaban yan? Uy, epic! Nag-i-intense yung battle. Uy! Si Tiny Timothy! Ngayon namatay si Void Monarch. si... How about Tempest Lich? Tatlong Tempest Lich at saka si madaming Squires. Mga 30 Squires. No, 25 Squires. Oh my god, they're creating storms. Oh my god. Oof. Bro, the squirrel went fly up. I believe I can fly. Grabe, malakas yung mga Tempest Lich. Tatlong ano na lang. Tatlong Tempest Lich. 3,000 coins. Dapat naman tayo sa dragon. Huacha? Ano yung Huacha? Di ko alam kung ano yun. Valkyrie. Dalawa yung Huacha natin. Fireworks! Mga exciting fireworks pala yung mga Huacha. Bakit? Talo po tayo. Let's do it. Long ship? Ano yan? Ano to? Jar? Sacred elephant? What? Zeus! Oh my god! Zeus is back! It is the god of the thunder! Jarl versus Zeus. Last ni Zeus. Namatay yung isang elephant. Dinamay niya pa yung elephant niya. Isa buhay na, oh. Kawawa tong human na to, na color blue. Dinamay mo pa yung elephant, ha? That's it. Nope. That's not it. And how about 3 mammoth versus 3 sacred elephant? Paano mangyayari yun? Mamamatay na yung dalawang mong elepante! Aray, isa namatay na. Dalawa namatay na. Uy, isa mong elephant namatay. Isang elephant mo namatay? Hindi ba? Paano yun?